Okay, this is a good one. A few of you will get a kick out of this.
So I've got a couple of these weather stations up on the mountain, and they've got a camera pointed to a storm board for measuring snow depths.
So I go to look at one of the storm boards, and this is what I find. In 10 years on the skyline, I haven't seen anyone pull a stunt off like this. If you're not getting the joke, let me do a quick tutorial.
Okay, this is what's known as a storm board. Sometimes you might hear people call them a snow stake. Terms are kind of interchangeable. But the idea here is that you put this out before a storm, and then the snow falls on top of this board, and you can measure how much snow falls in a given storm. Now, this can tell you how good of a powder day you might have, but it can also tell you how much new snow or how much weight you're adding to an existing snowpack, which in turn has implications about how dangerous the avalanche conditions might be. Okay, so then after the storm, you clear off all the snow from the storm board, from that storm, and then you set the board back on top of the snow. So it's ready for the next storm. And then you can measure the snow from the next storm. And this process continues throughout the winter.
Okay, so evidently someone rolls up on a sled and removes all the snow from all the way around the storm board, but leaves the snow on the board. And so when I see this, I'm like, am I in the avalanche forecasting bizarro world? Because this is the exact opposite of what you're supposed to do. Now, maybe someone's just screwing around with me, because I have been known to play a joke on my buddies and stack up empty beer cans on their storm boards and then call them up and be like, hey, you might want to check your storm board. It's really starting to stack up out there. But I don't know. So whoever did this, well, actually, I know who did it, because hint, hint, there's a camera pointed at the storm board and I could see you. Here's the deal. Get a hold of me through this app or email me, and we'll get together and I'll teach you a few things about these weather stations, and then you can help me out, because I can't always get to these storm boards between each storm. Okay? Deal? Thanks for the laugh. Sorry to make fun of you a little bit. Appreciate you.